Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and tools to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're exploring one of the top contenders in the 3D printing world, the Fokoos Odin 5F3. This printer has been making waves for its impressive features and ease of use. Stick around as we uncover what makes this printer stand out from the rest. The Fokoos Odin 5F3 is designed with both beginners and enthusiasts in mind, boasting a sleek, industrial design that's as functional as it is attractive. It arrives 80% pre-assembled, allowing you to get from unboxing to printing in under 10 minutes. This quick setup is complemented by a sturdy metal frame that ensures durability and stability during operation. Now, let's talk about the features that set the Fokoos Odin 5F3 apart. It comes equipped with a user-friendly touchscreen interface, making navigation and control intuitive for users of all levels. The printer supports a wide range of materials, including PLA and ABS, giving you flexibility in your printing projects. Its build volume of 235 by 235 by 250 mm accommodates both small-scale and moderately sized prints, making it versatile for various applications. In terms of performance, the Odin 5F3 impresses with its precision and speed. It utilizes a high-quality extruder and a reliable XY axis mechanism, resulting in detailed prints with minimal error. Whether you're crafting intricate prototypes or functional parts, this printer maintains consistency and accuracy throughout the printing process. User experience is paramount with the Odin 5F3. Fokoos has ensured that maintenance and troubleshooting are straightforward, with accessible components and clear instructions provided. The printer's compatibility with popular slicing software ensures seamless integration into your existing workflow. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional in need of reliable 3D printing capabilities. In conclusion, the Fokoos Odin 5F3 3D printer delivers on its promise of combining ease of use with professional-grade features. Whether you're looking to explore the world of 3D printing or upgrade your current setup, this printer offers excellent value for its price point. With its solid build quality and reliable performance, it's no wonder why the Odin 5F3 is highly regarded in the market today. That wraps up our review of the Fokoos Odin 5F3. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews like this one. As always, thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.